Dear teachers, you inspire us. You instill in us a love for learning. I am very thankful to you all for all the hard work and efforts that you put in for educating us. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, teachers.
Greetings of the day. I, Anagha Subramaniam from Grade 7 Emerald, would like to wish my beloved teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. To share my appreciation, I would be quoting a verse from the Kenopanishad. Incidentally, it is one of the verses oft quoted by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan while he was still Spalding Professor of Eastern Religions and Ethics at the Oxford University. Harihi Om Apyayantu mamangani Vapranashchakshushrotramatho balamindriyani cha satvani Sarvam Brahma Upanishadam Magam Brahma Nirakurya Mama Brahma Nirakarod Anirakaranamastva Nirakaranam Me Astu Tattvadani Nirateya Upanishatsu Dharma A Te Mai Santu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Upanishad itself means to sit down near. It refers to a student acquiring knowledge at the feet of a teacher. The shloka is a prayer to sharpen critical faculties or the indriyas such as limbs, speech, vital force, eyes and ears in order to receive knowledge. It says, "May I never deny or spurn knowledge, and may knowledge never be denied to me. May all the righteousness contained in the Upanishads repose in me as I engage in this self-pursuit of knowledge." I would like to reiterate how much you mean to me with a couplet written by my father. Betwixt the portal of knowledge and me, pleadeth the tribes of docents of thee to open the doors that lie beyond the key and flood us with enlightenment and showers of glee. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dhitin. I am in Grade 2 Pegasus. On the event of Teachers' Day, I want to say thanks to all my teachers for putting a lot of effort to make our online class so interesting. You all are awesome. Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for everything you have taught me.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. I will be playing a song Hum Honge Kamyab. Thank you.
Teachers, I am Hiya Trivedi and I am from Grade 2 Cygnus.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you for teaching us very well. Thank you for giving your precious time in the lockdown period. And now I am going to sing a prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Shaksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I miss you and thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anishka Vidamsa. I am from grade 2 Indus and I have made this B card for all my teachers. And thank you teachers for everything and being my teacher. Thank you once again, and I am grateful and thankful to all my teachers. Thank you.
I am Anna Gunjal from grade 2 Oran. On the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, I am going to wish all my teachers and principal ma'am Happy Teachers Day. I have made card for you. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you for inspiring us, helping us, and supporting us. Thank you for touching our hearts and opening our mind. Thank you for making us a better us. Happy Teachers Day once again.
Namaste teacher. I am Avni Relekar from grade 2 Indus. I like to say something special for you all. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Thank you for loving and caring for us. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rishabh and I am going to play a song called We Love You Teachers. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We praise you teachers.
And teacher, my name is Niharika and I'm in grade 2 Orion. And I pray Ganpati Bappa to keep all my teachers safe and healthy. And I made a little gift for Happy Teachers Day. It's a backpack and it has all the stuff which I come to school: ruler, pencil, paper and eraser, which wishes you Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rudra Chandratre. Today I am going to talk about all the teachers. All the teachers in PRCT Model School are very nice and teach me very good. When they teach, all my concepts are cleared and all my doubts are solved. I am thankful to all the teachers that even in this corona pandemic situation, they continue teaching us. Thank you.
Hello teachers, this is Miss Hers and happy Teachers Day. Thank you for making us what we are today. Now I am dedicating this song to you.
Hi, this is Sharif, grade 4 Orion. Hi, this is Shreyas, in grade 6 Garnet. We recently shifted from Mumbai to Pune.
And also changed our board from ICSE to CBSE.
New city, new board, new school.
New teachers and new friends. We were worried. And then came the lockdown
But the PICT teachers made us so comfortable.
with online classes.
And PICT teachers are so cool
And so warm and welcoming.
and approachable,
They make us feel so comfortable.
just like in this song.
दुनिया है सारी नंबरों से बनी, बक्से से बाहर निहार। हम ना जरा भी कीड़े किताबी, टेंशन मत ले यार। बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4। तो डरना क्या मेरे यार, बोलो बेटा।
We love you, PICT teachers.
You are teachers because you take the efforts to teach me each and every situation. In a normal class, you always make sure that I understand the concept. In a virtual class, you do the same. And in the recorded session. Thank you all teachers and happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to all my friends and respected teachers. Good greetings of the day to all our grade 4 learners. I hope we are all ready with our learning logs, content books, workbooks and our materials, writing materials. Today we are starting a new chapter which is first person and third person narrative. For example, I like swimming because it is my favorite game. In this sentence, I and my indicates that this is a first person narrative. Now, for example, she came to my house to take her pen. In this sentence, she and her indicates that this is a third person narrative. The words used in first person narrative are I, me, my, mine, myself, we, our and ourselves. The words used in third person narrative are he, his, him, she, her and it, and they and them. Thank you for listening to me. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers again.
Hello, this is Anna Ahuja. I am in grade 4 sickness, and today on the occasion of Teachers Day, I want to thank all my teachers. As they say, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. I want to thank all my teachers for being an inspiration and to make learning fun and interactive for me. You've given a chance to me to spread my wings and soar high and think big. Thank you for bearing with all of us in these difficult times too, and making learning as much fun as always. I look forward to meet you all once again, as I miss you all and my school. To the world, you all just may be teachers, but for us, you all are stars. Happy Teachers Day. I love you.
Hello teachers, happy Teachers Day. Thank you for teaching us. We learn so much and it is so fun. You're the best teachers I could ever have learned with. When there is holiday, I feel sad, so I play teacher with my dolls. I really hope you like this speech. Bye.
Hello, this is Ishan Baranmal from grade 4 Indus. I would like to thank all my teachers for making my class fun, sharing interesting facts and clearing all my doubts. Thank you very much and wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
Hi, do you know what teacher stands for? T for terrific, E for energetic, A for able, C for cheerful, H for hardworking, E for enthusiastic, R for remarkable. With a great teacher like you, I was sure that life would be a successful journey. But I never knew you will also make
the journey to success such a cakewalk. I can't express my gratitude. The best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. You are not only our teacher, you are our friend, philosopher, and guide. Your teachings will never be erased from my mind. Happy Teachers' Day.
Of all the hard jobs around, one of the hardest jobs is being a good teacher. And I'm so fortunate to have so many good teachers who are influencing me to be a good person in life. I thank all my teachers, my principal ma'am, director principal ma'am, and wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
On this special day, I would like to thank all my teachers for guiding and inspiring me. Thank you for all your support and Happy Teachers' Day.
My dear teachers, I am Rishan and Happy Teachers' Day. I thank you all for guiding me and teaching me. I am Riyansh and I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day, and also I want to thank you all for guiding us and forgiving all our mistakes.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurue Namaha. Teachers, they guide us, they support us, they inspire us, and they teach us. Today is their day, and I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Morning everyone, I am Aditi. I would like to thank all my teachers. Without you, we would have been lost. Thank you teachers for inspiring me, guiding me and making us what we are today. Thank
Dear teachers, I am Ananya Shirodkar from Grade 5 Sigma. A very happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you for teaching us all in a fun and creative way. Also, since the online classes have started, we have been troubling you a lot, but you have taken it gracefully. I would like to teach you something. Great teachers plus good school equals to happy students. Thank you for everything you have done.
A big thank you to all my teachers in my own way. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
This is Gargi Kulkarni and Happy Teachers' Day. Good morning. My name is Krishnai Todkar. I am in 5th Indus. My each and every teacher teaches me very good manner and good and detailed manner that I understand very easily. I am thanking my all and every teacher from my bottom of heart. Thank you.
Hello teachers, Happy Teachers' Day.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for teaching me great and new things. Also thank you for guiding me on the right path. Happy Teachers' Day once again.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Naitik and I am from grade 5 Pegasus. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you for your good learning. You make us understand each and every concept clearly. You clarify our doubts as per our understanding. You also take many efforts for our learning. Also, once again, thank you.
Hello teachers, I am Namya. I wanted to tell you that I am so thankful that I am studying with you. You make me understand topics very easily and my doubts too. Also, I am so grateful that I am able to interact with you during COVID situation. Also, I hope we meet soon. Stay safe, stay healthy and happy Teachers' Day. Bye.
Hello, I'm Nupur Dere from grade 5 Indus. Today I am here on the occasion of Teachers' Day. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. I miss you a lot. I miss the fun, the activities and the games we played in the classroom. But one thing is important. Even though we only meet in online sessions, you all give me the same encouragement to study at home independently. Here are a few lines for you. The knowledge you share, the way you teach, the love you give and the care you take makes you the best teachers in the world. I am very blessed to have you all as my teachers. Thank you.
Dear teachers, I would like to thank you all. I will never forget all the fun activities you included in my class to enhance learning. I especially loved how you always related the lessons to real-life examples that would allow the material to make more logical sense to students, and always give us something to relate the lessons to. It made it so much easier to recall the material when being tested on it or when we need it for homework. I would like to thank you once again.
Dear teachers, I want to let you know how much your hard work, time, effort, patience and dedication is appreciated. Thank you so much for everything you do for us. Wish you a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you for guiding me and helping me. I've made a small poem for you. Science, SS or be it maths, you make it interesting with the facts. You teach us sports and various arts to make us shine and smart. English, Hindi or ICT, you make it fun to learn at PICT. Once again, Happy Teachers' Day.
I've made this for you.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I would like to thank all the teachers and say that they guide us, support us, inspire us and teach us. I would like to wish them a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara.
Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Dear teachers, I am Apni Chadda from grade 6 Topaz. On this Teachers' Day, I would like to express to you all my heartfelt gratitude. While everyone is battling the pandemic situation due to COVID-19, you all worked hard to make our online learning as effective as the physical learning we had in school. You are like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Thank you.
I am Avni Darekar from 6th Sapphire. Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. Thank you for teaching us so well. Love you, teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for being such wonderful teachers.
Good morning. This is Meeka Jain from 6th Topaz. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Every day you greet your students with a smile upon your face. Though paperwork the night before seemed like a grueling race, your students are your dedication. Devotion is to them. To you, each child is unique and special, a beautiful little gem. Each day you're in your classroom reminds you why you're there, making differences in our lives with whom your heart you share. There's a special pride in teachers and love for what you do, and appreciation spirit always shared between those little lives and you. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sharif, grade 4 Oran. Hi, this is Shreyas, in grade 6 Garnet. We recently shifted from Mumbai to Pune and also changed our board from ICSE to CBSE. New city, new board, new school, new teachers and new friends. We were worried. And then came the lockdown. But the PICT teachers made us so comfortable with online classes. And PICT teachers are so cool and so warm and welcoming and approachable. They make us feel so comfortable, just like in this song.
दुनिया है सारी नंबरों से बनी बक्से से बाहर निहार हम ना जरा भी कीड़े किताबी टेंशन मत ले आ बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4 तो डरना क्या मेरे यार बोलो बेटा
We love you, PICT teachers.
On the onset, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. As all of you know, online teaching and work from home have become the new normal. Hats off to the teachers of PICT Model School who have accepted this transition so swiftly, efficiently and effortlessly as if the system was always the same. Being a working mother, I realize how difficult it has been to balance between home and work in this pandemic. But the teachers have contributed immensely by engaging the students of today in such a skillful manner, keeping in mind their discipline, their academics, their recreation, the stress level the students can bear, their assignments, the periodic tests, and making them comfortable in this new normal. They too are COVID warriors whom I would personally like to bestow with standing ovation. I truly feel a mom brings a child in this world, but a teacher teaches him to move progressively through different walks of life. Once again, wishing all of you a very happy Teachers' Day.
I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers. The personal time that you invest in creating our lessons thoughtfully, the patience and empathy that you display while teaching us, and ensuring that each one of us understands is commendable. Sometimes this requires staying up all night long, preparing lessons creatively to overcome situational barriers. Though words can never express how I feel, I would like to thank you for your love, nurture, commitment, and patience to understand, motivate, and inspire me at all times. Wishing you a magical Teachers' Day.